Hello everybody, welcome to GISE Pathshala, grade 7, Social Science in Social and Political Life. Our topic is on equality. Equality means that day we have learned something that we have to see equally to everybody. Equality means samanta. In common language, in Hindi language, we are saying equality means samanta. Now, each and every time we are feeling that we should be treated equally. हमें बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि सभी हमें एक नज़र से देखें. इन हाउस ऑल्सो समटाइम वी फील लाइक दैट अवर यंगर ब्रदर इज देयर एंड ही इज गेटिंग समथिंग मोर इमीडिएटली इट हर्ट्स दैट उसको ज़्यादा मिला मुझे कम मिला. व्हाई? तब वी फील unequal. So equality is very important in life, in all the aspects of life. That also we have seen that equality is a broader concept. So we have seen the story of Kanta also. See, she is a domestic worker. How she suffered. She is suffering when her own child is not well and she has to go to hospital and like that. In that case, she is suffering. And at the same time, when another person is there where she is doing the job, she is doing the work, the person never feels such type of inequality. Now, many such type of things are there in daily aspects also we are noticing. But why the inequality is there? We are talking about equality, but why the inequality is there and how we have to create equality in our society? See, equality is very important in all the aspects of life as we are saying. But now what happens in that day? We have seen the equality. Why inequality is there? The reason behind the unequal treatment. Why the unequal treatment is there? Keeping which things in the mind people are doing unequal treatment? Keeping which type of things in the mind? See, caste is there, religion is there, and caste background, class background is there. See, suppose caste is there, religion is there, upper caste is there, lower caste is there. So such type of, because of the caste inequality is there, because of the religion, as such that also we have noticed that many time anything is happening in our country, we are mostly noticing something is riot is there, anything such type of problems are there. Immediately it is coming the Hindu-Muslim riots are there. Why? Because of the religion we are doing inequality. After that, class background is there. Sometimes one person is coming from a small village and one person is coming from a big metropolitan city. Immediately the comparison is there. And one is feeling that the person coming from the village is not equal to the same person coming from the metropolitan city. So such type of boundaries are there. On those all boundaries the people are treated unequal. And when the people are treated unequal, they feel that he or she is inferior. The inferiority, superiority is coming in that type of inferiority and superiority is coming in the mind of the person. After that, it hurts the dignity of individual. See, it hurts the dignity of an individual when person are treated unequal. See, in dignity means, what is the meaning of dignity? In simple language, we can say dignity means self-respect. Dignity means a self-respect. See, we have seen the story of Om Prakash Valmiki also. How he is treated because he is from the backward class. How he is treated in the school also. How he was treated in the school time also. Once his father noticed that he was treated like this, then his father talked with the teacher and he took him from the school. After that, see, that is the inequality on the basis of caste. That was the inequality in the basis of caste. But after that, we have seen the story of Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. They are not getting the house. They are moving here and there. They are not getting the house. As such, they are getting the house. But why at last moment the owners are not ready to rent the house? Because they are from the Muslim religion. Because they are from the Muslim religion. So that is one example of the inequality on the basis of religion. Religion-based inequality is there. And what you feel at that time, the broker, one person in between, the one person is there, the broker is there. The broker is saying that you change your surname. From your surname Ansari, your surname, people can recognize that you are from a Muslim community. So you change your surname. See, all are related to, okay, but attached with the own religion and caste. Suddenly somebody is saying that you change your surname. It is possible. How you feel? You feel very bad, no? But it hurts your dignity. No, why you immediately you will say that why I should change my surname? Like those things are happen. And what happens when the persons are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. Their dignity is violated. Now, everyone should deserve the same respect and dignity. See, now everyone should deserve the same respect and dignity. And such type of thing, when we are doing the unequal treatment to a person, that is counted as discrimination. That is counted as discrimination. So we should not create any sort of discrimination in the society, and when we maximum try to see the people equally, maximum we should try to maintain the equality, then only we can create a true proper society that will be equal for all. Now we have to see the equality in Indian democracy. We have to see equality in Indian democracy. See, after independence, India became a democratic nation. India became a democratic country. So equality for all person is recognized in democratic India. In democratic India, equality is recognized in for all persons. Government is trying to follow that the all should be equal. But how? What is that? Every person is equal before law. Every person is equal before law. The second thing is no person can be discriminated on the basis of caste, religion, class background, place of birth, gender, anything. No person can be discriminated. Discriminated means ill treatment should not be given to any person on all these bases. Caste, religion, class background, place of birth, gender, all these things should not be considered for equality. After that, every person should have an equal access to all public places. Public places means suppose government hospitals are there, gardens are there, many such type of temple is there, all are counted as public places. So we should not stop anybody that some Muslim person is coming to a temple, we should not say that you should not enter in the temple. Suppose a person from lower caste is coming, you should not say that you should not enter in the temple. So such type of thing, public place is open for all the persons, anybody can access the public places also. Now see, these all things are there, these things are kept in mind for the equality. But see, before 1950, India became a republic country, democratic country properly after 1950. Before 1950, such type of measures were not there. Before 1950, such type of measures were not there. But nowadays, government is trying more and more. Government is trying more and more for the equality. So banning the untouchability. What government did? It banning the untouchability. And another thing, continuously government is doing. What is that? Government programs and schemes. Government is introducing now new programs and new schemes. Suppose one of the scheme is midday meal. Midday meal is one of the scheme for the equality. All the students are together and all are getting together. Means such type of one scheme is there where all are together and they are not, the caste or any such type of barrier is not coming in between and nobody can feel unequal. All are thinking that we all are equal, and that type of things create in their mind also for the further development. So such type of things government is continuously trying and continuously doing. So one of the very best program is counted as midday meal. So in our next video lecture we are going to see about that. Thank you.